Behold this vision. The story of Atlantis will show you truth. Atlas, king of Atlantis, is your guide. Listen to him speak of his city's ruin. His kingdom was destroyed by foolish pride.
I once faced a decision which destroyed my precious land. Our magic crystal, source of our strength, was brutally extinguished. Reading my story here in your form. Behold our crystal, powerful and bright. From my children, I must choose a successor. But power has seduced them. I have lost command. They misuse our magic crystal. They destroy our precious land. Alaya, daughter of water, rules the ocean and the rain. Guthris, son of fire, wields the fury of all flame. I call on them now, Alaya, grace us. With an angry trident, she stands the tide, coaxing waves to dance. Her eyes are the color of the sea's bravest wave. Her head is dusted with gold from the ocean's floor.
Dear Father, I deserve your throne. Choose me. I quench deserts from a ticking sky. I put out fires with the wink of my eye. Come out, brother, from there you hide. Try to survive the wrath of this time.
Be still, Alaya. Put your childish ways to rest. Guthris, my son, come forth now. Behold, Guthris, his fingers are made of flint, his eyes are the color of flame, his heart burns an ambrosia portal.
Hail, Father, choose me to inherit the throne. My fire conquers the darkest night and kisses each day with brilliant light. Oh, sister, your precious ass is melting.
Dear brother, your force is a weak threat. I plucked this wave from the earth's edge. I'm the only one fit to rule this land.
Stop this evil plague. Cease this mad war. I beg you, my children, destroy no more.
Give me, brother, before you fade to nothing.
Poor liar, your strength deceives you. My fire angers your water.
Guthris, Alaya, stop this madness.
I ripped this beam from the sun and laced it with Hades' breath.
I seize the windstorm and smite it with desert sleet.
Your water turns to mist in the sky's belly. Surrender, or I will smother your sea creatures.
Cease! I will drown your stars!
Silence. Our magic crystal suffers under your brutal attacks. Hear me, children. Cease this madness. I cannot choose one child above another. Good people of Rome, I put the choice in your hands. Choose the heir to my throne and cease this foolish fight. Or we'll find this precious land robbed of day and starry night. Guthris or Alaya, please let me choose. Speak up proud. Raise your voices if Alaya should be queen.
Your votes are useless. Soon you will see this mighty kingdom will belong to me.
Now call out if Guthris should be king.
Vote for Gabrius, if you dare, and I'll put
appointed that I should be king.
Oh, great gods, forgive me. My children poisoned this kingdom with greed. It is a cold, black day for Atlantis, indeed. It's too late to halt this evil war, and so the gods shall settle for scorn.
With the cruelest rainstorm this world's ever seen, I'll silence prayers, I shall be queen.
Not before you collapse to my fiery sting. I'll burn your lamp, and then I will be king.
Enough! I have come to end this ambitious fight and seal the fate of this land. The rest of this earth is my duty to save, so I'm forced to send Atlantis to its watery grave. The sun and the sea in one swift hit shall finish this war with water and heat. You have witnessed the fall of Atlantis. Remember the vision. Learn and take heed.
Go forth now in peace. The gods travel with you. May fortune kiss your every deed.